I am eating this really delicious blueberry chia pudding, which has a little bit of crushed walnuts and some lemon zest, which really makes a really delicious chia pudding. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make it. To a blender, I'm adding in some fresh blueberries that I've rinsed. You can also use frozen blueberries. I'm using a cup of almond milk. You could use your dairy-free milk of choice. Next, I'm just going to blend this together. So then this will turn into a blueberry milk that'll be nicely blended for the chia pudding. Next, I'm just going to pour that into a bowl. You can see the nice purpley blue color. And now I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. You could also blend these in the blender too, the chia seeds, if you don't really like the texture, but I like the texture, so I'm just going to mix this all together. And you can also sweeten it up with a little bit of maple syrup. You could also add that to the blender too. I accidentally forgot to add it, so I'm going to add it now, which is fine. So I'm putting in here about 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And then blend that all together, or mix that all together. And then we're going to let that sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours to let that thicken up. You can also do this overnight. I'm also giving it a quick stir. Once your pudding is set, give it a good stir. So let's quickly talk about chia seeds and why they're so great. Chia seeds are amazing because they can absorb liquid and form a gel, which is how we can get this pudding-like consistency. They're also packed with omega-3s, which are great for your heart health, fiber for digestion, and plenty of protein and minerals. So plus, they keep you full longer. Now we're going to serve the pudding. I'm taking the blueberry chia pudding and I'm adding it into a smaller mason jar, but you could use any bowl or dish that you like. You could also store it from the get-go in different serving sizes and have it as a grab and go if you want to do something like that for an easy snack or breakfast. Now I'm topping this chia pudding off with some extra blueberries. And I will also be using some crushed walnuts and some zest of a lemon. And the flavor combination is really delicious with the combination of the lemons, the blueberries, and the walnuts. It really comes together really nicely. And there you have it, the creamy blueberry chia pudding, perfect for any time of day. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. The full recipe is below in the description, so be sure to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more plant-based recipes. Comment below and let me know how your pudding turned out. Happy cooking! See you next time!